This video is a review of the SpeedTop VPN, a free VPN that you can find on Google Play Store. I don't know for Apple Store for iOS users, but then on Google Play Store you can find it there. So now let's talk about the interface. When you download it and then you open it, this is how the interface looks like. You can start using the VPN without creating any account, just like other VPNs I've reviewed. So when you tap on that, there you connect. Let me tap on that again. So okay. So I'll just come back here. Yeah. So that's how you connect. And if you want to disconnect, you tap on the power button again. And there's the locations, that's the servers. Good. They have a couple of free ones. And if you want to stream, you just tap on this here. That's the streaming is available for the US. Yeah. So US Netflix or Disney. Good. And this is other countries you can check out if you want service from these countries. For the US, they have a lot. So I think this is the best, or this is a good VPN. Yeah, they have France and they have couple countries, and all these things are free. All these countries are free. They even have Middle East and Africa. Yeah. So now let's come back here. So that's it on how to change your locations. And you can see the setting button there at the top right corner of your screen. Just tap on that. Good. So when you open it, automatically they give you an account. Yeah, so that's my account here. You tap on that to copy it. And this is the VPN settings. If you are good with networking, just like I say in all the reviews, you can do some 1, 2, 3 things here. Split tunneling and all that. Use VPN when you're on some apps, bypass VPN when you're here, and the rest. If you are into networking, you can do all those stuff, and then enable debug log and all that. And also you can change the app settings. They have couple languages available. You can change it. So I speak English, so I turn on English. Push settings, so you can see you are going to get notifications from the app. So I turn it off automatically. Every app I download, I turn off notifications. Yeah, it helps my battery and prevents all these flooded notifications on the mobile phone. And also you can see theme mode here is currently on light. When you tap on it, you move to dark. When you tap on this, you move to adjust. So now let me bring it to light so you can see it well. And also support, you can tap on contact us to contact them. It's up to you. You can tap on contact us. You can contact them on Telegram straight or email. When you tap on that, it's going to take you to your Gmail, right? And also Telegram, when you tap on that, it's going to open Telegram on your mobile phone. And that's it about the SpeedTop VPN. Very, very simple. I didn't talk about the VPN protocol. There's also one thing you can also do. So the TCP and the UDP, this is networking. Yeah. So if you know it and you know the use of it, you can turn it on. So that's it about the SpeedTop VPN. It's one of the simple apps. But then you can see it has an ad in the interface. Yeah, but then I think it's simple and easy to use, comparing its service they give you and the rest. So that's it. If you want other free VPNs, you can check my channel to find that. The playlist, you can find it there. So that's it. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.